lot of convention is all thought. We call it the land of nobody. So Tupac is right here, and Big Smalls right here. They're just on our shoulders. You just gotta see them. They're there. They think that's when you go on. Oh, look at that. Hey, that's life.
So now we are here at Miami Beach finally, and the weather is beautiful, the sun is shining like always in Florida.
So let's now take a bath.
It's a really long beach. There's all the hotels around us. 25 degrees Celsius, and I really like this weather because it's so hot. You can just have t-shirt all day. I will just take off my clothes and then I will jump into the sea. So let's go. So we are now ready for the sea. Okay. Shoot as long as you can. Woo! It's not so cool, but shit.
Now we are in Miami, and in a few days we're about to go on a cruise on the Caribbean Sea.
Yeah.
And then we're going to make stop at Bahamas, Cayman Islands, Mexico,
Jamaica.
and Jamaica.
Yeah.
Exactly. But we're also going to be on the boat, I think,
On the cruise
most
ship.
of the time.
Yeah.
The cruise boat. And it's going to be really awesome. It doesn't feel like we're in the United States because everybody here speaks Spanish,
Yeah.
and it looks like Spain as well. So you might think you are in like Alicante or something, but no, we're in the United States.
We have walked a really long time now, and I think we need some water and ice cream, maybe. We walked for about 1 hour to get here, but
It was tough.
it was tough. We really need some water right now. 5 push-ups. No power left. Despacito. So now we have walked like 1 Swedish mile barefoot on the beach. So we need to wash our feet and rest for a bit because
It's like you're walking on glass.
yeah, broken glass every step you take. Porsche, Rolls Royce, Maserati. Look at that Ferrari. Now we are going to rent some bikes. 2 hours. No. We are gonna take these bikes all around the Miami Beach for 2 hours and see new places and stuff like that. So let's go. We were not allowed to use the bikes here, so we had to walk with the bikes all the way. I think we took the wrong way because bikes are not allowed here, but we used them anyway. Whoa! Lamborghini. So we made it off the beach, and now we are here on the roads again. And look at this beautiful view. So we ended up here on a bridge. This took about 1 hour to get here. So now we are going back because we only have 1 hour left on our rentals. So yeah, let's go back. And we are trying to find a way back. But whoa, shit! Doggy. I actually don't know if this way will bring us back to South Beach, but well, let's see, and I hope so. Now we are here at a small airport and we are going on a helicopter tour, and it's exciting because I've never been on a helicopter before, so it's fun. Are you excited?
I'm really excited, but I'm also really tired. But as soon as we get up in the air,
You will get some new power.
I'm going to get some new power, yes.
That's great. Yeah. We just wait for our pilot to arrive and then he will take us up in the air. So we are heading to the helicopter.
Just pull here and put
So that's good.
Hello, this is your captain speaking.
Yeah, it's good.
This is your captain speaking. Excited?
I'm really excited.
Is over and it was great. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Glad to have you on board. See you next time.
It was like when you fly a normal airplane but lower and you could see everything. So it was great. So now we are heading back to the hotel.
And it just goes on.